Good morning, boys and girls. Long time no see. We haven't done this in 2 weeks, so today we are going to say the sounds. Okay, so I want you to put your fingers up and say it along with me. C, cat, k. A, apple, a. M, mask, m. G, gate, g. D, dog, d. T, tent, t. S, sun, s. F, fan, f. Q, queen, qu. No English word ends in Q. It is always followed by U. N, nest, n. L, lock, o. B, ball, b. I, igloo, I. H, hat, p. J, jet, j. No English word ends in J. K, key, k. O, octopus, ah. P, pot, U, umbrella, W, web, w. Z, zebra, z. X, fox. Y, yo-yo, y. Second sound, Y, happy, E. At the end of a long word. Third sound, Y, cry, I. At the end of a short word. R, rat, V, van, v. No English word ends in V. E, egg, F. F, L, S, Z, double. At the end of a one-syllable word after a short vowel. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, f. CK, sock. At the end of a short word after a short vowel. CH, chair, ch. WH, whistle, w. TCH, match, ch. At the end of a short word after a short vowel. A, consonant, magic, E. Ape, A. What does E do to the A? Make it say its name. And the name is A, and the sound is A. I, consonant, magic, E. Pine, I. What does the E do to the I? Make it say its name. And the name is I, and the sound is I. O, consonant, magic, E. Home, O. What does the E do to the O? Make it say its name, and the name is O. And the sound is O. U, consonant, magic, E. Mule, U, or U. What does the E do to the U? Make it say its name, and the name is U, and the sound is U or U. E, consonant, magic, E. Eve, E. What does the E do to the E? Make it say its name, and the name is E, and the sound is E. Vowel teams. E, feet, E. Position, middle. OA, bolt, O. Position, middle. AI, rain, A. Position, middle. AY, play, A. Position, end. EA, eat, E. Now we're going to be doing the sight words. You're going to put your fingers up and trace the spelling along with me. The first word is dangerous. Everybody say dangerous. Dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. Dangerous. Again, dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. Dangerous. Eyes closed. Dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. Dangerous. It is very dangerous to put your hand on the bottom of an iron. Dangerous. Next word, memory. Say the word memory. M-E-M-O-R-Y. Memory. Again, memory. M-E-M-O-R-Y. Memory. Eyes closed. Memory. M-E-M-O-R-Y. Memory. I have a great memory of me and my family at the amusement park. A memory is like something that you remember. Next word, imagine. Say the word imagine. Okay. I-M-A-G-I-N-E. Imagine. Again, imagine. I-M-A-G-I-N-E. Imagine. Eyes closed. Imagine. I-M-A-G-I-N-E. Imagine. Sometimes I imagine myself traveling into space. Next word, camera. Say the word camera. C-A-M-E-R-Y, camera. Again, camera. C-A-M-E-R-A, camera. Eyes closed, camera. C-A-M-E-R-A, camera. I take a lot of pictures with my camera. Next word, vacation. Say the word vacation. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N, vacation. Again, vacation. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N, vacation. Eyes closed, vacation. V-A-C-T-I-O-N, vacation. Soon we are going to start our summer vacation. Now what I would like you to do, I want you to take out your notebook or paper, and I want you to write these sight words 5 times each. And remember to practice these words throughout the week. Okay, go ahead.